we're supposed to be going to, I was scrolling on, oh, what was that website? I can't remember. But I found this dude that lives here. He's selling a dirt bike and a camper trailer. So yeah, I think we're gonna I told him I'd buy it, and he said okay. So we gotta head on over to his house, give him the paycheck. Not the paycheck, but the check. $21,000. Camper, I think the camper was like, I want to say it was like 19,500. The dirt bike was the other, like, what, 1,500, I think. But yeah, let's head on over there and get in the old Dodge and head on over to his house, give him that check. Alright. We better let the old truck run, start up, or warm up this morning. Oh. Alright. Rev it up a little. I don't think that's the smartest thing to do when it's warming up, but hey. Alright. Should be good to go. So, to get to my house, it's a little tricky, but I just think they need to, I just feel like they need to, redo these roads, because, you see how that's, such a slim fit? I think it's this way, yeah. It's just such a slim fit, and then you have to cross this water, which I hate doing because I'm scared I'm going to get water up in my engine. Yeah. It sucks. I wish they would, kind of finish this road and repave it because there's all these rocks on it. And all these rocks are hard to get over with a trailer. Especially, in this area. Because there's just so much of them. You have to go, super slow. Which is why I think I've seen a house and I was talking to a dude about it. I don't know why. I might buy it. I gotta think about it. It's just a little farm in this old town. In this little town. Now let's get fuel first. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Alright. Oh, I forgot to turn off. It's okay. Alright. We'll let that fill up. But, alright, while we're waiting, quote unquote waiting, I just wanted to tell you guys, I try to make this series as realistic as possible. Yeah, it's not going to be that realistic because it's a video game, but I just want you guys to know that I try to make it as realistic, so, yeah, alright. Just pay. Oh, that's not bad. $32, alright. Sorry, I accidentally opened up my thing. Like, again, I try to make it as realistic as possible. Some things I just can't. Alright, so if I remember where his house is, I want to say it's this one right here. So we'll go down the road and we'll make a U-turn. I don't know which farm his is. I'm pretty sure it's this one right here. Like the only farm in town. Unless he's got it behind the county jail. Which I don't think so. Right there. I'll try to drive in first person a little too. Just to make it realistic. I'm not going to do it all the time. Because it's a little hard. But I'll just pull up here in this driveway. Alright. I'll see you guys once I go inside. After I go inside and pay him. Alright, thanks. See you. Alright. So, I just got word, his farm is this one right down the road. Make sure no cars are coming. Alright. Yeah, but his farm is this one right down here. I just wanted to get a camper and stuff and a dirt bike for fun. And the camper, so like, if I do move, I have like a trailer and stuff to be able to use. This is such a tight fit. Oh, I think that's it right there. Right. Doesn't look like it's in too bad of shape. Looks pretty good. Alright, I apologize. I am a little sick, but alright, let's back up to this trailer here. And the dirt bike should already be in it. It's a toy hauler. He loaded it in last night. Oh shoot. We'll pull it forward and we'll pull out here and we'll take a look at it real quick. Alright, so the paint isn't actually that bad on it. This wrap or whatever you want to call it. It's got windows. That's toy hauler. Yeah, so the door's there too. Yeah, so it's in pretty good shape actually. Yeah, it's not horrible. Alright, well, I guess we'll take it back to the house and hopefully we won't damage anything on like the axles or underneath the trailer or anything going through all them rocks. I'm hoping, like fingers crossed. I guess we'll see. Alright, well. Alright, we're gonna have to swing wide. Hey, car's coming. Nope. Oh, shoot. Yep. Oh, gosh. It's a little tricky to get it through that archway. We got it, though. It's got lights on it. I just want to make sure, like, yeah, the lights should work. Alright, yeah, it works. Swing wide. Alright. We're gonna have to put it in low, probably 4-wheel. I don't know how this is gonna go with this trailer. It's gonna be a little hard, but we might break a few parts in this trailer, but I hope not. Oh gosh. I don't know what to do. Uh-oh. This is what I'm afraid of. Just getting this whole thing stuck. Oh, we're damaging something. I can tell. Oh. What if we like put a winch right down there? Alright. Come on. Is that good enough? Did that do it? Oh, I tell you, dudes. They really need to repave this road. Get all these rocks out. It's hard to get through here, especially with trailers like these. This winch is just so handy. Sometimes, like right here in this situation. Oh gosh. Oh, we might break the trailer a little. It's definitely gonna need a pretty good axle repair. There, it should be smooth from now on, at decently smooth. I just don't know what it's gonna do. Going through this water. About to find out though. We'll go nice and slow so we don't like. Oh gosh. Oh, we're scraping. Oh yeah, we're scraping. Ooh. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to move houses. This just is too rough. Because if I'm going, especially for me, I'm gonna have to be getting this trailer in and out of here. It's gonna be hard, but. So I think I might contact that guy tonight just before I go to bed on my laptop and ask him how much for that farm he's got. Because he wants to sell. It's got a garage and everything. A nice house. Right now I'm just living in a trailer home right now. Got a little shed, chicken coop, or dog pen, whatever you want to call it. I put chickens in there because it looks like a chicken pen. Well, I think I'm gonna unload the dirt bike from this trailer and just check it out real quick. So, yeah, I think I will do that. Alright, well, here it is. It looks like the plastics are a little off. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Those rims are a little weird. I might have to change up those rims. Other than that, I like it. Maybe a different color. Oh, it runs too. Alright. I don't think it does wheelies. I'm trying to do a wheelie, but I don't think it will. Guess we could just test it out real quick. See how it runs. I've owned a few dirt bikes in my past, but it wasn't long enough, so. Alright. Yeah, I wish they would also get this construction done with this bridge, because that leads out to the road somewhere, I'm pretty sure. I don't know where, but it does lead out to the road, I'm pretty sure, so. That's why I want them to get that road done too. But it's okay for now. take it back and end off the video here. Pretty quick little dirt bike, I guess. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.